In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your hosting a domain to Blogger. So this is going to be a real quick and easy tutorial. So let's jump into it. So what you first need to do is once you're on the blog you want to connect the domain to, you want to then go ahead and go to settings. And once you're on settings, scroll down to publishing and then click here where it says custom domain. That will open this window where you can then type in your domain. So go to Hostinger and then choose the domain that you've got registered. I'm going to choose here knowledgebasetutorials.com. So we'll copy this domain. We'll then go back to Blogger. I'll type here www. And then paste in my Hostinger domain. Then I'll click save. Now it's going to give you this message, and what it basically tells us is we need to link the domain name with Blogger. Now to do that, we need to go to the DNS settings inside of our domain. We need to add 2 CNAME records. So first you want to go to Hostinger, you want to go ahead and click on manage next to your domain. And then once you're here, you want to go to DNS/name servers and scroll down. Now what's important here is if you have any current CNAME records, you want to delete them. So delete any current CNAME records. And if you have any A records as well, delete these. And any other records that you don't need, you just want to go ahead and delete all of these. So go ahead and go through all of this and delete them. Okay, so now we've got all of our DNS records deleted. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and add 2 CNAME records. So go to manage DNS records, where it says type here, you want to add a CNAME record. And for the first one, you want to type in www. Then we'll go back to Blogger and we'll paste in what it tells us. So the first one, name, www. And then the destination, you need to copy here ghs.google.com. So go ahead and copy this. And then paste that into the target. Then click add record. So that should be record number 1 added. Now we need to go ahead and go and add one more. So click CNAME. And now we need to add the second one. So the second one, name. So this is the name. So copy all the way up to this comma. So copy this and paste this in name. And now for target, you want to copy whatever it says next to destination. So destination. And then the target is going to be this, GV, and it might be different for you, but you want to copy all of this here up to the end bracket. So copy this, paste that in target, click add record. Now we've got those both added. We can now go back to Blogger and we can now click save. Okay, so now we've got our domain added, knowledgebasetutorials.com. It now might be working straight away. Now this can take up to 24 to 48 hours to be updated. So go to an incognito window and just try your domain. Right now mine's still redirecting to somewhere else. But just wait between 24 and 48 hours and it will then redirect to your Blogger. Make sure you've got redirect domain enabled. So just wait, be patient, and you should have then connected your domain to Blogger.